in the end days, more demonic presence, more interaction from that side than ever in collective history. What is possession? What is attachment? What is an attack? What is, territorial spirits? How are you aware of these? And what do you do to clear the air in your own life? When I ask how many here knew their authority in Christ, Luke 10, over 90% did not. And the majority of believers not even sure about the armor of God. And with the dark side coming so ferocious and the sheer numbers worldwide, we need to know everything because God intends us to be the powerhouse. He intends us to be that. So in Long Island, we want you to come there. We're going to come right down here. We're going to do step-by-step training. We're going to take you through how to do things. We're going to set up little scenarios with individuals and show you some kind of dramatization. And you get a workbook, my workbook, when you come, and we're going to go through about 5 sessions. Then when you take that workbook home after all this, you can get another 20 hours of audios, training, and keep training and going through that. Spiritual warfare, the basics to the advanced issues, dealing with sleep paralysis, dealing with ritual summoning and sending, dealing with astral projection, but dealing with your personal stuff. Jesus came to give us victory over the world of flesh and the devil. So come and get trained and come and spend hours with us. We're on one singular training for those 2 days, and that's all about warfare and all about learning and getting up to speed and being preemptive and being ahead of all of it as God intended for us.